from your family.
Yeah. Due to that crisis, Fulani crisis that was occurred at our country. That's the reason why we migrated to this place. We are forcefully migrated to this place due to that.
By force.
By force. It's not by willingness.
Women. Oh, man or women. How much are us, man or women?
Only you.
Are dying here.
Both the women and men migrated from that area.
No.
And
How
then
much?
people died.
But I say how many people they kill there?
Okay.
Oh,
There are few many people. But at our many people. Many people have lost their lives.
Tout ceux qui viennent là, c'est ceux qui sont venus de Nigeria. Tous ceux qui viennent là.
People are still migrating because of that. At Modudu and all other areas.
What happened?
What happened?
It's because of the Fulani crisis.
Who can?
Fulani, they are killing the people
They
anyhow.
are killing the people.
Anyhow, they will
Anyhow.
move from any village, from one village to another. They will migrate from one place to another.
And they kill
They
the
just keep people. That's the reason why the people are scared. They move down to
Ceux qui viennent là.
for all family. And
Je vais à Canada.
are you understand? And when you are coming here, you ask for you can speak for the committee. Yeah? You know whether you understand? And take place one committee. You can take care of the people who come to the village and take it place here. Are you understand?
Le voilà encore. Le voilà. C'est quoi le jeu?
And the women take 5 persons in the community. 5 persons in the community. The young, the women, the man, and the young youth